In this video we want to talk about a common issue, and that is that people don't like to be caught on camera. So let's see how you can create personal videos even if you don't like to be recorded.
Welcome to Recover from AI, where we actually help your business with simple AI solutions that will produce real-world results. In today's video, we are going to tackle a common problem many people face: the discomfort of being in front of the camera, especially when creating content for platforms like YouTube. This issue is even more pronounced if you need to produce videos in a language you are not fluent in, such as English for non-native speakers. We will explore a simple trick that can help you create engaging videos without the need to be constantly in front of the camera. This method involves recording a brief personal introduction using a webcam and then leveraging artificial intelligence to handle the rest of the video content. This approach can make the process much more manageable and less stressful. Let's dive into the details. Imagine you are based in Germany and need to produce a video in English. Speaking fluently and engagingly in a foreign language while looking into a camera can be daunting. However, you can record a short 10 to 15-second introduction with your webcam. This introduction can be a small part of the video frame, such as a round circle or a small square, which most video editing software can easily accommodate. After recording this brief intro, you can use AI tools to handle the rest of the content. For example, you can walk around with your smartphone, speaking naturally without worrying about perfect sentence structure. Later, you can use software to edit and format this recording, removing errors and turning it into a coherent story that is helpful and interesting for the viewer. This method not only reduces the pressure of being in front of the camera for extended periods, but also ensures that the final product is polished and professional. By using AI to enhance your videos, you can focus on delivering valuable content without the stress of perfecting your on-camera presence. If this was too fast for you, or if you need a refresher, you might want to re-listen to this episode or check out the course on our website. You can consume the basic course for free on the website. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. Now, let's reflect on why this concept is helpful. Why do you think using a brief webcam introduction combined with AI tools can improve your video production process? How could you implement a similar strategy in your own business to make content creation easier and more effective? Here are the actionable steps you can take. Record a 10 to 15-second personal introduction using your webcam. Use video editing software to place this introduction in a small part of the video frame. Record the rest of your content naturally with your smartphone. Use AI tools to edit and format the recording, removing errors and creating a coherent story. In summary, we have discussed how to overcome the discomfort of being in front of the camera by using a brief webcam introduction and AI tools to handle the rest of the video content. This approach can make video production more manageable and less stressful, allowing you to focus on delivering valuable content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, if you don't like to be on camera, you can now create personalized videos with an intro and an outro, like in this video. If you want to check out the basic course, it is free and you can find it on our website. I say thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.